I have been working for 2 hours. For 2 hours. For refers or it is used with a period of time. You have been, sentence number 2, you have been watching television since morning. You case yes, have is used with you. So you have been watching television since morning. Since morning. Since is used here with a point of time. With a point of time. For is used with a period of time. We know the exact calculation of time there. And since is used with a point of time from where from we started. And sentence number 3, we have been walking for 3 hours. We have been walking for 3 hours. For 3 hours. For is used with period of time. They have been listening music since yesterday. They have been listening music since yesterday. Since is used with period of time. He has been reading since 9 a.m. Since is used with period of time. With a point of time. She has been washing clothes for an hour. She has been washing clothes for an hour. For is used with a period of time. It has been raining since afternoon. Since is used with a point of time. Akram has been playing for half an hour. For is used with a period of time. So dear students, these are the some examples. And you must remember, first of all, we should in present continuous tense we should have subject. As I earlier told you in yesterday's lecture and in previous lectures, I told you that subject, whom about we talk, and what is said about the subject, that is called predicate. So the structure of, let me repeat, so the structure of present perfect continuous tense is we should have subject plus we use has been, have been, and present participle or in form of the verb plus since for. And you must remember, for is used with a period of time. Since is used with a point of time. So dear students, there are uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 sentences or 8 examples which makes you clear how can we make a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. And you should know, present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which has begun in the past time and is still going till present moment. So half of the work has been done and half of the work is yet to be done. So it has started in the past time and it goes uh, till present moment. That is all for today's lecture. In next lecture we will discuss how can we make negative and interrogative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Have a nice day. Thank you to all.